This past weekend, I was leading my Job Search 101 workshop, and I had a participant who just broke down in tears. She had been applying for jobs for quite a while and getting nowhere. And it all just bubbled to the surface. And in that moment, she didn't need me to be a career coach. She didn't need more resume tips or interviewing techniques. She needed me to see her, to listen to her. And I know she is not the only one. You may be feeling these same feelings of frustration and anger that it is so hard out there. And it's not you. It is hard out there. The job market is tough, and it's constantly changing. And you're playing a high stakes game. It's not just having a job. It's having money to put food on the table. It's having money to pay your rent. It's having the ability to see a doctor finally because you have health insurance. It makes sense that it can be hard on you mentally, physically, emotionally. And while, yes, I offer job search tips and all of that, I want you through this video to know, more importantly, that you're not alone and that it's not a reflection on you. You're worthy. You have value. You have skills and abilities that employers would be lucky to have. But I do think it's important to just talk about the non-logistical side of it, because it's easy to say just fix your resume or network more, but there is so much more wrapped up in that. And it's okay to feel. It's okay to give yourself time to either step away from the whole thing, if even for a day, or just to say, this friggin' sucks. And if you are finding this difficult, let me know about it in the comments. Maybe there is something I can do to help. Or if you just want to vent, that's okay too. I'm here to listen. But ultimately, I just want you to walk away with this. There will be times during this process where you're going to face rejection, where you're going to start to question yourself. But know that I believe in you, and that your loved ones believe in you, and that you should believe in yourself too, because you are amazing.